7 deers eating this corner tonight.
Yeah. Wasn't quite as much as I thought it was. It looked bad. Okay, now it can rain. Take these back over the bridge?
I think that's the plan, and we're going to park them by your place.
Yeah. Put them inside if you want.
No. No need. If it rains, they need to be cleaned off a little bit anyway. Yeah, when I pulled out of the field,
yeah,
there was a truck coming, and he was probably from me to that phone pole away, and I saw he was coming, but I already had a snoot in the road, and hell, I didn't know if the son of a gun was going to stop.
Right.
So I just kept coming. He probably cussed us out.
Sometimes you have to.
I'm not going to let a car go in between us.
No. Well, that's the thing too. If you wait for there to be no traffic on South Newstead Road,
yeah, you're going to be there a while.
Yeah, you'll be there. See you there in the spring.